My last trip to Hampi was such a stress buster that I had to let you guys know what one should expect out of the place. So you start with a clean, peaceful and breezy road trip. Across the stretch of entire Chitradurg road, you will witness these windmills built on the layered mountains that look so beautiful. There will be tunnels and railroads cut from the mountains. There was a railroad cut from the mountains overlooking the Tungabhadra river just when we entered Hampi. So we took a short break over there just to appreciate the beauty. Next is the reason for which Hampi is very famous for, and that is UNESCO World Heritage Site. There are so many archaeological ruins, ancient temples, monoliths, and many things related to the ancient history and culture that one can actually appreciate and enjoy if they have a taste for it. There are so many stories related to all of the places, and there are even guides available there who will let you know about the ancient history of that place, and you can actually hire a guide as well. One can also indulge themselves in so many activities available over there. So one from them is a coracle ride that we took. So the sun was literally shining above our head and we were completely burning, but the soothing and cool and calm breeze of the water and the surrounding just was amazing and just neutralized everything. Even there were electric vehicles available in some of the places to just instead of just walking, you can take a vehicle to the temple. There were so many temples above the mountain cliffs, so which you can actually hike and trek to. So that was a good activity, but we couldn't do sadly because we were short of time. We did witness sunset from Tungabhadra Dam lighthouse, and we saw the sunrise from our resort itself, and that was also very beautiful. This was the most beautiful part of my trip to Hampi. Just look at this rice paddies, the sheets of green. Oh my God, this was so amazing to just have witnessed at that moment itself. The huge rock stones below which this farming happens makes it look so beautiful and amazing. I just I just was crazy to see these. Besides, there are so many cute and little cafes around this lake. This village, which was a great place to just hang out and chill with your friends and whoever you are with, or even alone if you're traveling solo. There are so many resorts around this place, Sanapur, which is a village in Hampi, and they had good food, and the area was also so beautiful, and they had their activities in their resort itself. Um, we also had a meal in one of the famous cafe called Mango Tree. It was a cozy cafe and served only vegetarian food. We had a South Indian vegetarian meal and pizza in this place, which was amazing. Again, the food taste was great. And this is how we winded our trip to Hampi. It's always that these rustic essence of these places that it makes it even more beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come back once again with another travel video probably soon when I travel again.